Hey, this is Kevin. Today we want to show you the new PTC Literiders by Golden Technologies here at All-Star Medical. This is a chair they've had out for a couple years now, but what they've done is they've made some really cool colors. We have red, silver, and orange, and they even have yellow, green, and blue. So they're very vibrant. Great chair. We sell a lot of them. We're excited to have a couple new colors in stock. Some of the features I want to show that really make these chairs stand out are the portability side of them. You can take this chair, as I'm about to break down for you, and easily put into the trunk of a car. Just by popping everything off just like this. So you have 4 pieces. They all break down just like that. Easily pick this up, put in the trunk of a car, or back seat, or whatever you may need to do. Great for people that are traveling around, going to events. This is also something where you don't have to buy that vehicle lift to put on your car. Has a larger foot plate, 300-pound weight capacity. The battery, the nice feature about it is you can actually take this in and get it charged if you need to. Has a charger that comes in a box. A little carrying compartment down here on the bottom. You can get this in an 18-inch seat width or a 20-inch seat width, so there are some options as far as the seat width goes. Arms flip up, seat folds down. Show you a little bit about the turning radius of it. I'll turn this one on to give you an idea. When you sit in, you can literally just back out and spin around. So it has a very tight turning radius, very easy to use. Again, we have these here in Hermitage. We have a couple in our Franklin store. Feel free to come by, try them out. You will be able to take them. We'll be able to put them in the car for you. Let you do that as well. See if it actually works for you. Come by our location here at 3520 Central Pike in Hermitage, or give us a call at 615-730-9438.